Right, so guys, we're going to be heading back to the harbour now. Unfortunately, this wind is going to be on the side of the boat for a fair deal of the trip back to the harbour, which is going to generate a lot of spraying or splashing over the front. Folks, if you are up front, you will get wet on the way back to the harbour. It is going to be drier towards the back of the boat, although I can't promise it's going to be completely dry. We are going to try our hardest to keep the back of the boat dry, but folks, if you're up front, you will get wet if you stay there on the way back to the harbour. It is going to be better to move towards the back, or